Alright traders, greetings. So today is 27th of May 2020. We are on live day trading for Mini S&P Futures 500, and this is both micro and mini accounts. So at this moment we just received one buy call signal to go long at 29.8950 and targeted TP which is at 29.99 or 3000. So based from the current situation, we already almost fill. Let's take a look on our chart. Okay, focus on the chart on left side. I will use only for micro account because I achieved my profit target today. Already reached total profit of 1376. Yeah, this. So for today PNL, so it was a good one. So for micro account 441, for mini S&P 835. So all trade during the Asia session and also London session. And for US session, we just received one this call for 10 points, which means the price will reverse back towards the VWAP line, which is at this yellow line. So the entry is at 29.89.50. So I have Q2 micro lot size. I think I can add another 2. Should be okay. Yeah, should be okay. So I will add another 2. So we'll have 4 contract size waiting at 89.50 to go for a long position. So we will wait. So let me enlarge so you can see it better. Time frame 5 minutes. Alright, so it will be a quick scalp, not a quick scalp, it will be a short-term scalping. So let's hope it will go fast. So target is 29.99 or maybe earlier, depends. Okay, we already in the market, so 4 lots already in from micro account. Okay, so yep, let's queue for this 99. I think should be 476 is the stop loss. Hope the price can push a bit more on the higher side, so we can have a good decent profit. Alright, so still in the minus of minus 22 US dollar, minus 17 US dollar. So this is a micro account. We not trade normal standard mini account because market already very strong bearish movement since the beginning of US session. So the top left chart is this S&P. So let's take a look how bad. Okay, so early morning we have a good profit, quite a decent one, and then another sell at the pre-US session. So based from my self-made indicator, the market have gone through a big bearish movement. So now the price try to make a pullback, the first pullback I believe. So hopefully it will success to reach our TP target of 29.99. So we are in the profit, plus $12, plus 22. So because I have to protect my profit for today, so I will not enter much on this trade. So we have reached for mini S&P 825. So for micro 441. So add up another 4 more position size for US session. Hopefully can earn around $200 US more. So let's hope everything will go smoothly. So let's take a look on the volume. Everything seems okay, not really much the volume. Or maybe you can check on the mini S&P. Yep, it's quite healthy. There's a lot of volume on the higher side, which is indicate could be possible pullback or reverse, not reversal, but a pullback towards the VWAP line. Okay, price remain at around our entry price from micro account. I try to record everything's live today. Hopefully it will not take too long. And based from this, let's take a look on the smaller time frame. We have a buy call earlier just now, but then I have to wait a good condition for the market to explode on the higher side. So the best is to enter at 29.89. So the target is somewhere here. So let me draw some line for as an analysis. Or maybe you can exit early. Depends. So let's alright, that's the target. It's not far. Hopefully the price can and manage to go towards this TP targeted area. Back to the minus. Alright guys, I will pause this video for a while to cut short the length of this video duration, and we resume once the market on our positive side nearing the TP area. Alright traders, I add up 2 more position size, lot position, 2 more contracts for micro mini S&P, which is at the same only slightly one tick higher at 29.75. Okay, the additional lot position size already filled. So now we are trading with 6 micro lot position size. So the price will burst further up, hopefully, as fast as it goes down just now. So we are going to wait maybe another next 10 minutes time. The market might have good news for us to remain on the higher side, which is around 96 or 97, 98. So I need to include bar countdown, so which will help us to monitor the candle more easier. So this candle must be a blue one, so then the next one will be a big strong bullish candle. Cannot be red, hopefully. 15 seconds more. Let's take a look with some analysis. Alright, 7 seconds more. So this is what it looks like. This is very strong short sell position over here. Okay, we have a red candle, doesn't look good. Okay, I will pause this video for a while and resume later on once the market on the higher side. Okay, now we are seeing a blue candle. It was very nice. Profit target now, sorry, our profit panel reaching 40 US dollar, 50 US dollar. The highest just now is 62, should be around 62 US dollar in profit. After all, we are in the positive side, and we have another 3 more minutes before the next candle appeared. Hopefully this one is strong bullish. We can just wait and wait. Really hope that the market will not reverse back down. With the current profit, should be a good one for micro account, since we are trading with 6 lots micro. So overall profit for for micro S&P already reached 500 US dollar, and we have 441 just now. So this profit, then we have a better result at the end of the day today, hopefully. Reaching 77 US dollar, 62. The PNL is over here. Hopefully you can see it. I already enlarged the screen. There's a strong volume at 2993.50. So we pause again, and once the market nearby the targeted yellow line here, then we resume back. Alright guys, resume back again. So follow is good, 145 US dollar in profit using micro account, micro mini S&P. So the price already moved about 6 points, which is quite good. If you are trading a normal mini account, so it should be one contract earn around 300 US dollar, but this is a micro account, so about half at this moment with the current position of 6. So have to wait patiently, or maybe exit now, which will be a good idea as well. So previous profit, how much? For 1.25. So let's take a look on this one. If we manage to exit the market, then the profit will be overall cumulative 563, reaching 600 for mini account. So by the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of link in description below. You may join my live Telegram channel by clicking one of the link in description. This will be in a private channel. You will receive one trade per day for US session day trading strategy. Alright, so let's take a look on the volume. There's not much except 29.96, which is a quite strong indication that the market might go towards this direction. So 1 minute 40 seconds for another candle to be appeared. Profit now is 137 from 6 lot of micro account. $145. The high just now is 160. So we have placed a TP target about for all six position contract size. Let's keep watching the profit target, which is still keep increasing. It was a good indication that we are in the right direction. Alright, this is going to take some time. I will pause for a while and resume later on. Alright, we are back to 160 as our top PNL at this moment. Okay, another small touch will push the price on the higher side. So let's take a look on the volume. Hopefully there's a good indication that the market will jump on the higher side, which is on the bullish side for our trading to be profit. So this is a micro account queuing. Mostly it's got public holiday. 97.25. We are not far, about a 2.3 Okay, that's good. So 182 US dollar, 190. Okay, 212. Should exit now. 220. Just focus on this number. So any moment we'll go for a flat. Focus on the number here. 220, 235. I think 250. I took 250. Yep. 98. 1 point below. So alright, I was perfect. 691, so 250 from this trade, from US session trade, 250. Alright, so overall we have a profit of 1,626 US dollar for today, from all three market, micro, mini S&P, mini S&P, and also crude oil. There's one losses here, and then we do recovery. You can check my video in the other the same channel but in different tab. So just take a look on my crude oil. There's I have grouped all the playlists inside a playlist. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. Oh, I need to mention to the, so if price okay, almost reached 99 is the target. Just have we reached? Yep, over here 99. Hope all of them exit. Okay, hit TP. Profit 10 points. So about that. So profit 10 points. Yeah. So it was a good one. Perfect 10 points. So 1.4 minutes and $50. So 500 US dollar easily during US session. Alright guys, okay, send out this one first. So let's go back to the chart. Okay, seems like the market not yet fully touch the view outline, but it will touch later on in the next few candles. But for now, it was a great one, and thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.